Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Pal, and I welcome to everyone in my channel Asirvad English Gyan. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead. So in this video I am going to explain order and request, and with O mostly. You can see here I have written in this video I am going to talk about order and request. So as you can see there are so many as like order, so it end with O mostly as like. So first came on what do we say, order. What is order? So we give order them who are younger than us, as like if I have my younger brother, then I can give him order, but I cannot give to my father order. So let's move on the example first. Here you can see I have written यहाँ आओ. It is ending with O. Come here. Negative. यहाँ मत आओ. Don't come here. So as like in order we say without, as like we are not showing requestness, we are showing our right. So here you can see in the example 2, यहाँ देखो. Simple. Look at here. यहाँ मत देखो. Don't look at here. We say in the short form do not, don't. So let's move on the third. Here I have written third, whiteboard पर लिखे. So simple, write on the whiteboard. Negative, whiteboard पर मत लिखे. Do not write on the whiteboard. Now let's move on the fourth one. I have written भाड़ में जाओ, as like when we feel if someone is irritating, then we say go to hell. भाड़ में मत जाओ, don't go to hell. Let's move on the example 5. तुरंत जाओ, as like if you have any sibling and he is suffering from fever, so we can say you should go to doctor, go immediately. तुरंत जाओ. तुरंत मत जाओ, don't go immediately. So I hope you understand order. So now let's move on request. So you can here see request. We give request them who are elder than us, as like if I want to say to my father, please give me the glass. So I will not say as like give me the glass. I will say please give me the glass. I will show their politeness. So let's move in the first example. कृपया यहाँ आएं. Simple, please come here. Negative, please don't come here. Let's move on the second one. कृपया बाहर जाएं. So if I have some important work, then I can say कृपया बाहर जाएं. Simple, please go outside. Negative, please कृपया बाहर मत जाएं. As like if I feel scared with darkness, so I can say please don't go outside. So let's move on the third. कृपया मुझे अपनी कलम दे. Suppose you are in a bank and you don't have pen, so you can request to the manager, if you have pen, so कृपया मुझे अपनी कलम दे. Please give me your pen. And if you have pen and the manager saying that you can take pen, so you can say no sir, I have, please don't give me your pen. So let's move on the fourth one. कृपया खिड़की खोलें. So here you can see I have written if you are feeling in the home, as like you are feeling hot in your home, so you can say hey mom, कृपया खिड़की खोलें, please open the window. नेगेटिव, कृपया खिड़की मत खोले, यू आर फीलिंग टू मच cold and in the window the air is blowing, so you can say please do not open the window. Let's move on the fifth one. कृपया खाना खाइए. So I can say if there is in my family someone came and he is feeling shy, so I can say hey, please eat the food. And in negative we say please do not eat the food. So I hope you understand order and request both. If you like this video, so you can subscribe my channel for getting more videos, and if you have any doubt, so you can ask in comment box. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.